Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop on real quick to let you know that Dominique Brown's course on the 30-day credit repair is amazing. When I tell you he gives you exceptional value, that is an understatement. When I signed up for the course, I had no idea what to expect. I had no idea of the extras and bonuses that he was going to provide us as a class. And when you have a question, he is more than happy and willing to answer the questions. Unlike a lot of the courses that I've purchased in the past where they kind of just give you an online module and you kind of have to go through like a call center type of situation and you're hoping that you'll get the answer that you're looking for. I love the community environment. I can't say enough about how helpful this course is and how much of a difference it can make in many communities, because of course one man can't do it all. So it takes a village, an army to get it done. And with him arming us with knowledge, I believe that we can truly make an impact on this world. I hope that you guys have an amazing day and buy the course and actually implement and get it done and help people that need help. I hope that you have a great day. Bye.